Welcome to Greenleaf Camping, where every summer adventure begins. Join us for an unforgettable experience filled with excitement, exploration, and endless fun. Hey, campers! Today we are going on a journey to discover the wonders of our campsite Greenleaf.
ग्रीन लीफ कॅम्पिंगला आलो आहोत आणि हे आमचे लास्ट दिवस आहे आणि आम्ही काल हे आमचे मेमरीज म्हणून इथे हँड केलेले आहे.
Get ready for some friendly exercise, everyone. At Greenleaf Camping, there is no shortage of adventure. From arts and crafts to swimming and hiking, there is something for everyone to enjoy.
Hello, on my summer vacation, I came to an organized green leaf camping program. This program included a lot of adventurous activities and we had a lot of fun. The camp had arranged tents for every participating child and it had excellent food services. It was so delicious. I want to live here for longer, to be honest.
Join us this summer at Greenleaf Camping and experience the magic for yourself. Reserve your spot today and make memories that will last a lifetime. Call now 95 299 82259.